Yo, yo, yo. Good morrow. Wow, that's crazy. It's a good morrow. Good morrow, you know. Good morrow. Morning, everyone. Morning, everyone. What are we saying? What are we saying, everyone? Let me know what we're looking for in the chat. Everyone in the chat, let me know what we're looking for. Let's get the activeness going. Everyone get active on the Discord. Let them know we're live. Okay. Where the fuck am I hearing that from? On my phone. Shut up. You got the face cam on. Wow. Yes, babe. Wow. What is that? Is that what the what? El Slapo. What on earth was that emoji you just sent in? I've got genuinely no idea what that is. But it looks threatening. Bro, is my chart just not updated then? What the fuck? Oh, I think it might have just been lagging. Anyway, it's alright. Yeah, that's what we really. This is what I'd really want to happen, man. I want to see these as inducement. Retreated to my soul as closed but unconscious. Same with this. So I mean, obviously this is your main order block, but it would be nicer if we did this. That's what I'm basically looking for. Where's all my fucking... I did draw a load of shit. I don't know where it's now gone. Oh no, my bad. But yeah, we are quite bearish, boys. We are quite bearish. We're quite bearish. Quickly move all my drawings. These are all wrong anyway. Bomb, 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 bomb. Let's get the tunes on as well. Let's get the chat on screen as well. Which one? Pick 1, 2, 3, or 4. Tell me in the chat. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Retreat to my soul, eyes closed but I'm conscious. Alright. So yeah, everyone, let me know what pairs we're looking at. Let me know what we're looking at trading. The market is looking really nice this morning for me. We should finally have some nice entries come through this week. So be ready for this stream, boys. Make sure you're not clicking off the stream. Make sure you're not doing something, well, to be fair, if you're doing something else, fair play. If you're like in the middle of something else as well. But don't watch this half-heartedly, because this is the best trading day we've had so far by the looks of it. So yeah, I mean, GU, I'm looking at... This will be your first entry. 7 pips down to here. 4, 3, 4, okay. And do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put on this just because I think it promotes my stream. It pushes my stream out there more. If I'm just not if I'm not just blatantly I need a tissue. 2 secs. Sorry, boys. Obviously, your most probable entry though is going to be... So yeah, your most probable entry is obviously not going to be there though. Your most probable entry is going to be off of this one. It's going to be off this fair value gap. Yeah, I wouldn't really be looking to enter off this fair value gap just purely because, I mean, don't get me wrong, it is a really nice fair value gap. It is the middle and the distribution of 3 downwards candles. If you didn't know, the best fair value gaps are 3 candles, and the middle one is the distribution, and they're all in the same direction. And that's pretty much what we have there, clearly. So it is nice, but the RR is just not really not really good enough. If you was to go off 50%, for example, and I just stop loss here, even 6 pips, that's not on the high. To be fair, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, you could actually get in there. Still a 3-to-1. Yeah, in my opinion, I would go for the order block 5-to-1. So I'll either go for that first and foremost. I'll show you, draw it out. Either that first and foremost, or what's the RR on that? 4.2, or I'll be honest, it's kind of annoying that the RR is the same and you're catching a whole nother, only 7 pips, I suppose. Go for something like that. Yeah, one of these two. One of the two is what you want to get in on. Everyone, yeah, let me know what pairs we're looking for. Even EG looks decent, boys. So let me know in the chat. Are we looking at buys, sells, EU, GU, EG, gold, GJ? What are we looking for, boys? Let me know. Let me know exactly what we're looking for. Yes, I think. Yeah, chat. Let me know what we're looking for. I mean, look, I'll be real. The other one is in the premium as well. I'll admit that. Actually, let's go on our... You boys should know how to use this. If you see my TikTok I put up the other day. Interestingly though, we're seeing majority buys. Yeah. Seeing majority of people buying in this area. Which tells us we could have age liquidity come through. I would be looking for age liquidity if it wasn't so if it wasn't so bearish on the higher, in my opinion. We're very bearish. I think we do have to come down before we come up. We're completing this CRT, I believe. That is interesting though. Is anyone trying to get in? What should I do on GJ? GU shorts. What's Gold saying? Check GJ. Why are you looking at shorts? GJ. EU longs. But I want it to come down more first. 1 hour order block on GU. Damn, most people are looking at longs. EU longs, I can't lie. Is it very bearish though? I swear we've been trading in the same range all week. Yeah. So we have been trading in the same range. This is why I say it's bearish, is because if we just look at what happened yesterday, really. And just look at how the week's really played out so far. It's just been accumulation, right? So we've just been moving sideways. Just tells us this is just part of a retracement. Then we're going to move higher. So we broke the high. So really we should see this move down. We're still moving down to this order block. We've got these equal lows here. We need to take these out, tap into this order block, and then we'll move higher. And then if we look at the CRT as well, we've got the exact same thing. CRT as well, we've got the CRT low, CRT high. So we're looking to trade down into that. Exactly what we're really looking for. GU as well. So to be fair, it's not like really bearish, but it is bearish in my opinion. So again, we've got our order block here. We need price to take out this low, come into this, and then go longer. You can see we're filling this internal, or you can call it this 4 hour if you want. So we need to take this low now. So yeah, we're looking for fill, and then that move, and then that. So it's pretty simple what we're looking for. It is a retracement, but we give it enough time to try and actually move, and it hasn't. So again, we're looking for a similar thing in DXY. We are still bearish on the pair. Still want this low to be taken, and obviously this weekly low to be taken. But we need us to tap into a decent level, right? These are clearly not enough momentum, or it would have broke by now. We haven't broke, so it tells us we need something else. So I think we're actually going to sweep these 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 highs, come into it, and then we'll get the sell-off. And again, the 4 hour CRT is very clear. We've got a distribution candle from the morning. Took out the low, so we should trade into the high. And it's only a small one as well, so it's not really like massively unlikely that it comes through. If we get a crazy inversion, obviously we still look for a trade. I'm personally not looking for EU. I'm not looking for EU, I'm looking for GU. Just because if you look at EG, I'm pretty bullish on EG. I was thinking about entering off of this order block, but I didn't go for it in the end. Just because I know the markets have been pretty difficult recently. And EG is obviously typically more difficult than anything fucking else. So yeah, this is basically what I was seeing on EG. Exactly what we wanted to happen so far has really come through. So the higher time frame's been nice. Obviously, we've got our push, retracement, and our order block. We want to see buys off that. We saw weekly CRT off of it. So we took out the weekly low, and then we rallied up nicely to the weekly high, and that's what we saw this week. Was this move up, obviously caused by the pound news yesterday. And we're going to move up like that, which we did. So really we want to see us come down a bit, fill it, and then get in buyers, but basically just getting buyers. EG is one of them weird pairs where the narrative's not super important. It's more just about the bias. So if you did want to get in here, at this order block. I'm not gonna lie, it is a pretty decent place to get in. It's just EG in it. It's just EG's unreliable as shit. So yeah, in terms of these, of all these pairs, GU is the one that I'm most hoping. But if we invert everything, boys, as we said, do you know what I mean? We are still going to be looking for buyers, so. Let's see what the chat's saying. All the chat's really bullish, I can't lie. Lagging bears, is it? Chat, am I lagging? Am I lagging, chat? Let me know. Let's see. Damn. Damn, bro. I'm not in anything just yet, but I still like the look of this, boys. I'm not going to lie to you. I ain't going to lie. I ain't going to sit here and lie to y'all. What's this? 50%. Right, I'm in. Fuck it. We'll see how we go. Could be a turbo stop loss. We'll see. Only half risk on this anyway, so. Not too much at stake here. I did get a fucking really nice entry though, I'm not going to lie. 6, 7. Okay, not that nice. This is where I got in. And it was a 5 pip stop. We'll see how it does, boys. I would have liked it to have came in a bit more gently to the entry, but apparently not. So I'll see how it is. It's only a half risk, boys. Probably not going to do the best, I'll be honest. So probably don't really copy this one. This is a bit of a... Well, I mean, copy it if you want, innit? It's fucking your life. We'll see how we do. This is the last point. Obviously, we have to really return off this. If not, then Asia liquidity trades are going to be looking like the 1. So, yeah, man, we'll wait and see what happens. Okay, this, obviously, EU got cooked. It was lagging. Okay. Yeah, we do have this big inversion here. So obviously for everyone who's looking for the Asia liquidity, in my opinion, this is really where you want to be getting in. It's actually a really nice move up. Look, if you're looking for longs, as I said, we never really slate the way people trade. People trade differently. Boys, let's get some heads in here. But yeah, that's a nice little rally for the Asia sell if you are looking, sorry, the Asia liquidity grab buy if that is what you're looking for. As I said, I half risked this. I'm not going to lie, I live executioned it. Probably would have 1% risked it if I had a bit of a slower entry into it. But you sometimes got to react off what the market's showing you. And it's kind of good that a lot of you, man, Okay, no, I thought you said lag, but that's an old message. Hang on, let me read the chat. All right, everyone drop a like on the stream, boys. What we saying? Everyone drop a like on the stream. All right, let me see this. All right, let's move now. Let's get moving. Let's get fucking moving. Obviously, if you look back at what we saw yesterday, we don't really want the same as that at all, really, because we just consolidated for about 3 hours and then lost. Yeah, this was... Who remembers this yesterday? This was so painful. But, yeah, anyway, that's what we sort of saw. Yeah, it's probably going to be cooked. This is our 1 minute imbalance. Right, let me read the chat, because I haven't read the chat really all day. Everyone's looking at it's bearish. Sometimes it doesn't need to get completed 100%. Alright, yeah, boys, if I missed any comments, just comment them again, innit? Just comment them again. It's flying. Morning, need that retrace. I'm in GJ. Okay, yeah, let's look at GJ, because a lot of people always talking about GJ. Let me know your thoughts on GU in the chat. Chat, let me know your thoughts on EU. Let me know your thoughts on EU. Right now, it's just looking like daily tropen, bro. I'll be honest. Like, every pair is just moving that way. Did we have JP1 News? We got how many man we got in here? Can't lie, we're slacking on the numbers, boys. Drop a like on this stream. Let me make a Insta post. Yeah, we're pretty clear for the morning. Yeah, man. Come on. Thing I don't like mainly is that we've closed above these daily tropen things, but I mean we've closed above the daily tropen in the candles, but we'll see. We'll see. It's all on the DXY. The one thing that we do want to see, if we do get that rejection, chat, is an actual nice retracement. Because looking at the DXY, it has got a solid fair value gap to come back into. So if we do want to come lower, hopefully we do manage to come up and then come back down. So at least we can get into some Asia liquidity trades. EU, for example. Right, let's look at EU, because I mean it's not even one we're trading. So EU, we want it to come into the fair value gap first and foremost, but I'd more be looking to enter off of your order block. It's going to give you better RR. So that's what you're looking for. Never trading CPI days again. Yeah, it's just one of those, bro. It's one of those. It is one of those. Again, our order block's down here. Yeah, there's just no movement, boys, to the downside, so it's looking a little bit peak. Hopefully we do have a little bit of a retracement at least, so we can fucking get in on Summit. Yeah, it's cooked. It's cooked. Fucking hell, man. Boys, I cannot fucking stand these mornings recently. Fucking hell. I actually can't stand these mornings, bro. Oh, my days. I just want a move, just a clean move. Again, it's the same as yesterday. Even if we get cooked, like, at least give us a nice Asia liquidity move. Like, just give us something, man. But look, we'll let it play out. We're not gonna be a bitch about it. Win or lose doesn't really matter. It's just about actually getting better at trading. Always remember that, boys. I do try to be entertaining on here and shit, but do you know what I mean? It doesn't really matter too much if it loses. It is what it is. And we'll firm it. EU, come back for a retap on this. I'm just trying to see what EU could possibly be going for, to be fair. But DXY, man, it's not really... That's the type of momentum we want. But we don't just want it to be some shitty little... We want it to actually break these highs. So EU, same. Want it to break these lows. GU, same. We want it to break these lows. We're coming into a fair value gap now. To be fair, let's not hyper analyze it. Let's just have a look at GJ. GJ, I'll be looking at continuations to the upside. We're looking for continuations to the upside. This is obviously a trade that Mace had on live, which just about missed. So that was unlucky. I mean, the direction was right, but just about missed the trade. In order to look for these Asia liquidity moves, boys, I would want us to... Did we take this out? I always can't really see. Yeah, okay, we did take this out, so Asia liquidity could be looked for. But, boys, bear in mind, we want to wait until there's, like, a good time to trade Asia liquidity. Okay, nice. Right, we're coming into this 5 minute. Come on, Benchod. GJ Schultz. I'm in GJ Schultz. EG Schultz. Bro, but you man are fading me hard today. Fading me hard. Hard. I'm saying buys, you man are saying sells. Okay, let's see who's right then, chat. Let's see who's fucking right. Let's see where this goes. I'm saying bullish, you're saying bearish. Let's see, boys. Let's see. Let's see. The reason I won't be getting into shorts is because of the overall direction, first and foremost. And then second of all, just because of the momentum. The momentum off of the daily tropen. Alright, nice. We're actually a decent amount of RR up now. Oh, okay. We're only 1 RR up, but let me show you. It should be bang on, like... Okay, yeah. My execution on that. Yeah, still not really clear what's gonna happen on this one, to be fair. This fair value gap is the most likely, so let's see. If we fill this and just shoot to the upside, could happen. I'm out of BE. Fair play, bro. I mean, yeah, it's one of them. This market is very unpredictable the last couple of weeks in London sessions. So unpredictable. So, this, I'm not going to lie to you. This could come back up. It could come back down. You don't really know, if I'm being honest with you. So, if you want to set your stop loss at break even, then I hear it. I can't lie, I do hear it. I'm personally not going to be doing that. But, yeah, if you do want to do that, fair play. It's just looking at, yeah, it's moving weird. The price action's moving weird. Just come up to this imbalance here on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's going to be on the DXY really again, as we sort of know. We've had a change of character off of that, so we could get a little refined entry. Obviously DXY, yeah, it's rejecting. It's rejecting like a fuck. Yeah, I don't like that retap of the daily tropen. I really don't like that. I'm out of BE, should have held. Where did you get out? What was you in that you got out of? How come you're not trading age range liquidity as much recently? Today you're bearish. Yeah, so the reason why, it's just because of the higher time frame, bro. And Asia liquidity hasn't been coming through too much when we have these big movements during the Asia session. So mainly for that reason, bro. But I'll be real, this market is just annoying. It's just fucking annoying more than anything, bro. Can't lie, man. It's bare annoying to try and trade this shit. Bare annoying to try and trade this shit. Oh my god, fuck. I feel like I can't catch a break recently. In these last like week and a half, it's been tough, boys. I'm not gonna lie, it's been fucking tough. So if you're worried about these entries not coming through, mate, trust me, you ain't the only one. Holy shit. The entries have been very, very thin to come by. Yeah, now this one's going to get cooked as well. Fuck. Yeah, so the entries have been very difficult to come by, boys. I'm not going to lie. I ain't going to lie to you. Very difficult to come by. So, yeah, just obviously make sure you're not taking stupid trades. You're not spunking your trades for no reason. Again, I don't even really want to look at this, but we'll sort of have to. Yeah, don't spunk your trades for no reason. Yep, GJC and buys. Yeah, it's cooked. We are cooked, boys. February, March were very nice for the age of liquidity. That's it, bro. But the market just goes in phases, man. So it's just how it is. I'll be honest. You just got to firm it. It's annoying, man. I did have slightly better expectations for this fucking GU trade, but yeah, it's gonna get cooked now. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, unlucky. Let's move on to the next. Oh man, these markets have been demotivating. They really have. Sell off in New York, in my opinion. Yeah, it might be New York, bro. You might be right there, bro. Is it me? I just can't trade anymore. Is it just the market? It's just the market, bro. Don't think you can't trade anymore. I've been trading for 4 years. I've never had markets like this. Never had markets like this. I'm actually not gonna lie. This has been these last 2 weeks, boys. I've been trading for 4 years. It's been the last 2 weeks for the last 4 years. I'll just be honest with you. And there's never been a day in the last 4 years. Sorry, never been a couple of weeks in the last 4 years as bad as what we're seeing now. Never. This is the worst few weeks I've seen. So don't think that you can't trade anymore. It's not that, bro. It's just the market conditions. You just got to firm that. Mate, fuck this bullshit, man. Yeah, man. The annoying thing is that the range, how much is it? 35. This move. Like, we've been getting these shitty little moves. Normally this would be the first move, and then we'll get something like that, and then that. Or, for example, we'll get a big sell-off, and then a big buy, and then a sell-off. Do you know what I mean? We'll get 2 primary moves, but recently it's been purely one little 15, 20 pip move, and then just sideways, 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 1 o'clock, and then move. Literally what we're seeing. But yeah, that GU got fucked anyway. Let's get rid of that. That's an L. Minus 0.5%. Boys, I've been getting cooked bad. Bad. Not gonna lie, cooked bad, bro. So I just got cooked there again. For 1%. No, 0.5%. I've been getting cooked bad, boys. I can't even lie. I'm down like fucking 2.5% this week. Yeah, 2.5% down this week, boys. It's not looking good, bruv. Pretty much blown all of my profits that I was about to withdraw. Oh, mate, prop firms are laughing right now. It's because Asia keeps distributing. Yeah, man, that's it. That's it. It's just difficult markets, man. It's going to happen. You get them banging markets where you feel like you can't lose as well. So it is what it is. It's just, yeah, fucking. Oh, man. Frustrating, boys. Can't lie. Frustrating as fuck. Past 2 days I lost 1%. Yeah, I've lost 2.5%, man. Been getting absolutely cooked. Where's not? Bro, I'm 4% Jordan on my challenge just because of this market. What do you recommend? Just carry on trading, bro. The market, like the phase, it's just a market phase. The phase will end. Do you know what I mean? The market phase will end. Oh, mate. Honestly, bro. Honestly. Oh, mate. Damn me, you like come. Bro, do you know what the most annoying thing is? Like, it's just so jarring, bro, because here, blatantly printing sells, and we get a fucking Asia liquidity buy with no tapping. Here, blatantly printing sells, and we get an Asia liquidity buy with no tapping. Why? Well, it doesn't make any sense. These markets aren't making any sense. They're not following any reason, any logic anymore. They're just moving. Yeah, chat, it's been horrible, man. It's been a horrible, horrible last few weeks. I can't lie. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. No, the thing is, boys, we literally trade age liquidity and none of us got in this. I doubt there'll be one trader that got in this. Like, there's not even any entries for us. It's just not bullish. You haven't tapped into anything. Like, mate, honestly, bruv. Honestly, I've been fucking sick of these markets, man. Fucking sick to death of them. Sick to fucking death of these cunting markets, man. Honestly, I am. Because it doesn't even come down, and now we've got to sit on for an hour while it don't do nothing, bruv. Lou crash out inbound. Bro, it's just boring, man. This is what it is. It's just fucking boring. Boring, shitty price action. That's one way to gonna full port gold buy to get out of drawdown. Yeah, Ralph, just because you're in drawdown, just firm it, bro. There's nothing you can do. It's not like you can click your fingers and get out of these conditions. It's Donald Trump, mate. Bro, fuck Donald Trump. How about that? With these shitty markets, bro. These terrible ass markets, bro. Fuck you, you fat orange bastard. You fat orange bastard. Your wife's an utter... Oh, mate. Worst president ever, bruv. Joe Biden 2028. Whatever the fuck it is. It's 4 hours CRT. What's this even? Yeah, this will be completed, but again, it's just. YG and Nipsey Hussle's video got shut down by cops. Play the fucking song, man. No one wants to. I fucking hate this shit as well. No one watches your music video for, oh, I'm going to do a little thing at the start, a little 1 minute. No one gives a fuck about you. If you didn't have a voice box, you would be homeless, bro. Fucking sing and get on with it, you... Oh my god, bro. Fuck this shit. I honestly can't tell you lot how much I despise that. Despise that, bro. No one gives a fuck. No one, bro. Skip that shit. Next rapper that does that, bro, I'm gonna have to take off shins. I'm gonna have to remove shins like that, bro. Bear reminded me of that podcast. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, boys. What a shit morning. To be fair, as long as we come down, it's not that shit. If we actually come down, if we slowly come down like this, okay, good morning, decent morning. But bro, I swear to God, if we do this, like, I can lose a trade, bro. I don't care about that. I can lose a fucking trade. not the end of the world. I've lost many a trades before. It's the fact that when we do, it's not even like it comes down so we can see where we went wrong or see if we maybe missed an order block or missed a fair value gap. No, we don't come down and give us anything. We just almost rub it in our face by moving sideways, bro. Swear to God. We need Sleepy Joe back. Bro, we do need Sleepy Joe. Wait, someone be clipping shit as well, because, yeah, just clip shit, innit? Clip shit and send a message to me, yeah, and post it on your TikTok. But if you don't want to post it on your TikTok, send it to me. I'll post it on my TikTok, and if it gets like 10k views, I'll give you a tenner. And if it gets 100k views, I'll give you a one. And if it gets 1 million views, I'll give you $1,000. Hopefully we can come down. Like, we could still get in some trades, but what we don't want is that bullshit movement, sideways movement. I can't take another hour of that. The only thing working to DTO, and even that fucking fucked me, boys. Like, I'm gonna smash my monitor. Luke rushing out every morning recently. Trust me, bro. Mate, there's been need to, though. Louis, the most emotionless trader, be like. Do you not trade on other accounts when you're in profit, ready to withdraw? Yeah, bro. But obviously, I've got profits on different accounts, innit? Or like for the example, that one, I was like 4% up, so I knew I could risk have two more trade risks on there, and then I actually had 2.5, so I didn't lose everything, but we're basically 1.5 up, so I can still withdraw 3.5k, but it would have been like 8k. So yeah, this week has made me, I would have earned 8k, but it's gone down to 3.5 due to the shitty price action. Is what it is. Can't really bitch and cry about it because money's money, but a little bit annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Just full port with no SL and when you made enough exit. To be fair, that's a... Innit? Bro, why can't we just have Sleepy Joe back, bruv? See if these Asian liquidities come in. The reason why I'm not staring at this chart is because I know what these markets are like. It's probably going to take us 4 days to get back down 10 pips to here. But yeah, these are my levels if you are wondering where would I be trying to get in on. But even still, I wouldn't really be trying to buy, to be fair, boys. I'll just be looking to sell, I'll be real. I don't think there's much for us up here. We've got to come down and take these lows, tap into that order block. So the downside's looking way more prevalent. Alright, this one's cold, bro. You man can't see it. Bro, it hasn't looked like that in years, bruv. We didn't know what we had, boys, did we? We didn't know what it had. What we had. Fucking Trump markets, bro. I can't take it. Can't take one more day of it. Of course we haven't fucking moved. Bro, this is what I mean. At least come down. I never, you man know me. Bro, I say these jokes and shit, and I do get annoyed when we lose and that, but I don't mind losing as long as I can see where I've gone wrong. But these markets are just not showing us shit. Come back. Come back. Come back. Just do the opposite to what you think. That is literally... Bro, the thing is, if you trade Trump markets, no one wins in Trump markets. No one wins. That's Trump's economics right there. Who else got grifted by Trump? Be honest, chat. Did you get grifted by Trump? I always knew he was a grifter, but I was like, you know what? He's kind of one of the good ones, so I kind of like him. Fuck me, was I wrong. He has no idea what he's doing. And he's fucked the markets, which I heavily rely on. So cheers for that, Donald. Fucker. That's what I mean. CPI later, yeah. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. Everything we wanted was correct. Like, we wanted to sell down to here before CPI came in. Same with this, we wanted to sell into this order block for the London manipulation, then CPI come in and boom it. Again, same with DXY. I wanted to buy to complete this before CPI, and then obviously have that big move. Would have happened in a normal market, but these Trump markets, boys, especially these last few weeks, boy, they have been terrible. If we're looking at the... It took 55 minutes to make this 20 pip high. So we want it to take at least more than that to come back in. So obviously 56. So 10:03 is when we want it to tap in by. And then we'll be valid in terms of law of effort. I doubt it'll come down that quick just because of how fucking slow literally everything moves recently. Since Trump came president, I feel nerfed. Yeah, for real, bro. Sound like one of them J-bags at school. Oh my god, no, come back. Yeah, baited me, grifter. Bro, he is a grifter. Donald Trump's probably the biggest grifter ever. Thought the markets will be booming when he came back into office, but no, yeah, trust me. Market cycles, doesn't it? Sometimes good conditions and sometimes not. Always been like that. Yeah, bro. That's it. But I mean, we're just saying the reason. We have said that. We have said that. I mean, I'm sure I've said that about 10 times this live. Market cycles. So yeah. But we're just saying the reason of the cycle is because of the Trump's policy. You get obviously that this song's like the worst one that they have on this thing. You obviously have market cycles, and it's closely tied to obviously politics as well, and who the president is, especially if it changes from left to right. Someone left wing like Joe Biden to someone very right wing like Donald Trump. There's going to be big policy changes, so the market is going to change heavily. Hence the cycles, and then obviously that's when you get the the impact, the recovery, da-da-da-da-da. So all we're getting now, boys, we're still feeling the impact and the knock-on effect. Once the market calms down a bit and we start getting the recovery phase of the market, it will go back to normal, boys. Which is why you just got to sort of firm these times. Like I said, I've taken a few losses recently, but it is what it is. Like, you get them times where it's a lot nicer. I remember, boys, you only need one nice win to make up for like 2-3 losses. So as much as I've lost 3 times this week, I'm still up on my account because I've got good RR and I've got winners. I mean, S&P just entered a bull market, so we'll see. So we still have hope with the US. I can't lie, bro. The US... Yeah, the US... I just don't know, bro, because none of the Trump's not done a single good thing yet, which just doesn't give me any confidence. I know markets recover, but markets recover for a reason, right? But honestly, can anyone in the chat tell me one good thing that Donald Trump's done? Like one good thing that Donald Trump's done. Tell me one good thing that Donald Trump's done that gives you confidence that he's gonna actually like that it's gonna change. Someone tell me in the chat. Maybe you know loads about politics and you actually have got loads of things. I don't know, but... I mean, even this, just not reacting to fuck all. It's almost a joke. Almost a joke. Almost a joke. Mate, I'll be real. Not much can be said about this. Like, it's just DXY, boys. We can tell, like, what's this? Really, what's this? No re-entries. It's just, like, the price action just almost moving like EG a bit on DXY. I can't lie to you. Yeah. Really, really weird price action. I'm not going to lie. Nice that we're actually starting to see the Asian move come through. We're actually getting the sweeps again. That's I suppose, step one. So I can sort of see the markets are improving a little bit. We are getting them movements. But we're going against the higher time frame bias every time. So these two went against the higher time frame both times. And there was no actual re-entry. It was just... No actual entry, so no one would have actually caught the trade, but it did actually happen. So it's a little bit better than what we've seen before. Like these days here, just nothing would fucking happen, basically. Here, I know it's dog shit price action, like literally dog shit price action. But at least we sort of made it to the low. At least we got a little bit to work with. Like with this. Again, dog shit price action. No real structural breaks, just a break above here. Change of character there, an inversion there. No entries really, boys. No entries forming. What the fuck's even that as well? Never seen 2 candles. Like, bro. How is that a bearish candle? It's gone from there to there and it's bearish. Then what has Trump done with these markets, bruv? What has Trump done with these markets, bro? Holy shit. But I suppose at least we're actually getting the move, right? We're getting there. I'm looking for positives in these markets, man. I'm looking for positives. Since Trump... the Doge was pretty good for the US. Was it, though? Was it? Was it? Like, what did it even fucking do? Let's be real. Let's be unbiased here. We all like Elon. We're all traders here. We all like him. But, bro, what did he actually... Like, what did it actually do? I mean, he did it for about 3 months and then fucked it off and was like, nah, I can't be asked for this. And then had a massive Barney with Trump and said the geezer he was working for was on the Epstein list. Doge is good, isn't it? Obviously, the idea of Doge is good, but I just don't know if they actually did anything, bro. With Elon Musk and obviously Donald Trump especially, you genuinely can't believe a word he says, like not a word. You don't know, like you actually have no idea if what he's saying is the truth. So I don't even know about that Doge. Obviously, it's a good idea in principle, letting Elon Musk go through the government and cut everything, but he only did it for a bit, and I'm sure he just cut like transgender this, like feminism this. Do you know what I mean? None of it was like a significant like building project that they're scrapping or something like that. You know what I mean? I'm sure it was like a drop in the ocean. And even if it saved money, I don't know, did it? But that was more Musk than Trump. Now they hate each other. Yeah, do you know what I mean, Lawrence, bro? Do you know what I mean? Literally, bro. Waiting for next 4-hour candle to form and look for sells on GU. On a on a 6-trade losing streak, it can't go on like this. It can. Oh, it can. So, Mick, been on a 6-game losing streak. I've got to watch this, haven't I? It can. On a 6-trade losing streak.
The results make 1 win in 17. It can't go on like this, can it? It can. The results make 1 win in 17. It can't go on like this, can it? It can.
It can. And it fucking will do, yeah. It can. See, this is what I knew would happen. Just no retracement. It's just going to do what it did yesterday. Slowly, slowly. We have the initial momentum. A tiny bit. So we take the bit of momentum. Fucking hell. A little bit of momentum. Initially. For about 10 pips. So. Yeah, about. Initially for about 10 pips, if we look. That was actually more, that was about 20 pips, but we have, yeah, about 20 pips of actual movement. After that, it's pure nothingness. So again, 18 pips of actual movement, and then this will be the rest of nothingness, I can imagine. There won't be much going on. Not going to come down, not going to come up. And this is the annoying thing, it's just been making it so hard for us to get in anything. Did anyone get in Asia liquidity buys? Anyone? It's just terrible, terrible conditions, boys. Gold's probably the only thing that's actually tradable. Bro, that Ollie Matthews has got the worst trading group probably like about. The biggest leech, bro, that guy, I swear down. That guy's actually the biggest leech, bro. I would rather be sweeping fucking streets than be a leech, bro, on my mum's life. I would rather be sweeping streets than be a fucking leech. That's one thing I will never be, bro. I'd rather be broke than a leech, bro. Brilliant. The one trade I actually was going to jump in ended up... The trade I was going to place was this. It's a 3-pip stop because that's sort of the minimum. But yeah, it was just a bit too tight for me, so I didn't end up getting in this one. And the Colts is the only one that's actually doing well. Is what it is, boys. Hopefully, Gu's tempting that it can come down. It's telling us it can come down. And potentially get into buys, but it just doesn't look like it's moving. Looks like UG. Wait, I can't remember what I said. Oh, OM. Bro, OM. He looks like me if I was just a cunt, bruv. To be fair, he probably changed himself, didn't he? He got a fucking slave tattoo, fucking all this and that. Bro, it's just the way he does his group, bro. Like, he's so lazy. He's actually so lazy, bruv. And, like, it's just a... Bro, like, he's put, in his whole group, he's put 4 messages in the last 2 weeks. And he always gives himself a pat on the back, like, bruv, I'm so proud of what I've been able to create in the last year. Like, bruv, it's your fucking... Like, you are the definition of a leech, G. Do you know what I mean? Literally, bruv. Anyone who's got anything about them would rather be broke than a leech, I swear down. That's a life lesson for you, boys. Looks like Lou if he was... Looks like Lou if he was addicted to heroin. Fucking hell. What, me or him? Wait, looks like me if he... Wait. Oh, he looks like me if... Yeah, I'll take that as well. I don't know. So me on heroin, me addicted to heroin would look like OM. Yeah, maybe. I need a trim as well, bruv. Can't lie, boys. I'm more of a face man than OM. I'll be real. I can't lie with that. OM's got this and that. Do you know what I mean? OM's got a haircut. He's got his fucking... Probably does his skincare routine. He does his eyebrows. Does his fucking gel in his hair. Fucking waxes his arsehole. Probably. What else do people do? Like fake tan, whitening strips on his teeth, fucking eyebrows, tattoos, all this and that. Do you know what I mean? He's basically a bird. I feel like I'm just slating him, but it's only because I got a notification from his chat. Like, I don't actually really dislike him. I've just thought to make the point. Looking like a clean ALG on EU this morning. If only, Skull, if only we actually came back. The thing is with the ALG is you need some form of confirmation. So, to be fair, I'm not going to lie. I was thinking this as well, to go back to the change of character way of trading it. The 1 minute change of character. There's a thing with trading as well. Like, different things that you learn will work at different phases of the market. So, people will be in here will remember when I primarily used to go off change of characters for the age of low. Then we switched to primarily inversion fair value gaps because that's what was working at the time. But, so you see, recently the 1 minute change of characters have been working a lot nicer. So we obviously got the high here which was broken. And then you just pick a POI within the discount here. So for example, that order block there, or this little order block there, whatever one you wanted to do, and you get in that way. So that's the way that we sort of used to trade it. And to be fair, recently I've been looking at that a lot more. Even if we look at yesterday, I don't believe we would have got an entry from yesterday, but it would have been a lot better, a lot closer at least. I'll show you. Yeah, so this one you can see it didn't go into the discount. Obviously yesterday we had news and stuff, so it was a bit different, but so you change your character there, and you want to just pick an entry, so you would have picked that order block. Ideally you want to be in a discount, so this one would have been invalid anyway. So yesterday you wouldn't have been able to catch it anyway, so you would have gone with like a fair value gap there, and that would be your entry. But yeah, at least that's what's playing. I'm trying to suss out the market today, boys. I'm not really too bothered about looking at price action because I know what it's going to do. Like, I know what we're going to do. I just want to suss out in this market phase what is working and what is not. Because all it takes is a few days to find your bearings, boys. Like, honestly, if I find my bearings and trade tomorrow, I could take 2 winners, 5R, 5R, and boom, I'm 10R up. So this is why it's important to always stay confident and never get demotivated. You'll see me, one thing I'll do is I'll say, oh, trump this or this and that and this and that. I'll never doubt my own ability. Never doubt your own ability, boys. You've got to stay confident and stay ready for them moments. I know, the reason why I'm... There we land. KDB to Napoli, there we land. I have gooned. Who's seen that one? Yeah, KDB to Napoli, fair play. How old's KDB now? 31? He's not even that washed. He's a good signing for Napoli. Very good side Napoli as well, aren't they? Go on, Napoli. Go on, Napoli. That geezer died as well, didn't he? Here we land. There we land. But yeah, one thing I'll never do is doubt my strategy and the way I trade. Because all it takes, boys... Oh, that's what I was saying. Yeah, I've been trading for 4 years. And trust me, I've had phases like this before where you lose like 4 trades on the bounce and it's jarring. But what I've never had is infinitely lose on the bounce. I've always had a winner that makes up for it and makes me back. For all the times I've been in not in drawdown, but like lost trades, lost 3 in a row, and I'm thinking, shit, these markets are terrible. I've always stuck to my plan, stuck to what I know. Just try to learn how the market's moving, what certain things are working now, what certain things ain't. And then, after we've done that, you're going to get that winner, and you're going to get back in profit. So I know I will. Well, I'm in profit now anyway by a little bit, but... I know we'll get massively back in profit. Maybe not this week. Might be tomorrow. Might be next week. But mark my words, boys. We will get back into profit. We will catch an 8-1 or a 2-5-1. Something like that. It's just how it goes. Market rewards those that are calm about it. Don't lose their head. Don't throw their toys out the pram. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. I know what's going to happen. We're just going to move like this. It is what it is, boys. Should have taken that AG really, but... Again, is what it is what it fucking is. Please say Stu. Oh, bro. Conte wants to win the UCL, yeah, bro. Mums. I don't know though. Have they even really got any more Napoli? I know they're decent right now. I know they're good at the moment, but people to know that over a long period of time you will lose 6 trades in a row. That's it, bro. That's literally it. And you should know this data. You should know your data, boys. For example, I've traded 500 trades, and I know what my max loss streak is. Over 500 trades. So I know I can lose 9 trades in a row. I know that's potential, but I also know that my strategy has the ability to recover from it massively. McTominay, Lukaku, oh yeah, they got McTominay as like one of their MVP of the league or whatever. Mate, that league is so washed. Dollar shit in the bed, Euro flying, yeah. Yes, sir. Asia high has been hit. No entries. Cheers, you prick. Yeah, really not helpful. No entries other than the 1 minute change of character, which we should have really looked at, I suppose. Yeah, GU, same. Fuck all happening on GU. DXY, just dropping. Yeah, man. Is what it is, boys. We've got a fat giveaway on Friday, though. Remember, we got a big giveaway on Friday, boys. So don't forget that. Do not forget that. We got a big giveaway. 100 man in here. Come on. Alright, all of you 100 man. Let me know what we're saying. Let me know what you're doing today. Let me know when we jump off the charts. What are you doing? Are you trading the New York session? Or are you going back to the drawing board? Are you going to look over your trades that you've placed? Oh, yeah. Close on gold. Gold's been nice. That's one thing that actually has been nice. And why is that? Because it's a safe haven. I actually haven't traded. I haven't traded gold since I fully first started trading. So, yeah, we're taking that extra. Let's get rid of that shit. Looks like we're going to invert this fair value gap. Fucking hell, how small is this shit? On the way up to that CRT high. In terms of the internal external, it's pretty nice, pretty easy, pretty banging. Make it 5. Yeah. So we got order block. Took the high. Order block. Gonna take the high. Order block. Gonna take the high. So yeah, you want to look for buyers on gold if you are trading it. These candles, look how they're printing as well. All bullish, all pretty big, all pretty strong. Should close above this fair value as well. You see here. We'll go down in the time frames, see what we're actually seeing. Yeah, I'll look for a retest of this daily true open and this imbalance that we've just, well, that we're going to close past. And I'll be looking at buyers. Once we retest that. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on gold. Quietly weep over my P&L. Weep as well. Painting gravel bores and concrete posts. That sounds like a fucking motive. Your life's a movie, Cam, bro. Life's a movie. Come on. Big up LOS. Come on. Come on. Big up to everyone at work and trading at the same time. That was me at one point. And fucking hell, we actually did make it, boys. I can't lie. See if I got any pictures on my phone from when I used to work. All my photos got corrupted, bro. How much of a mock is that? Bro, because I used it. Oh my days. I've scrolled back too far, boys. You know when you scroll back too far and you see your ex-bird? But this is my old work. I'm going to scribble out the geezer's face. my old work. Alright, and then look next to this, next to my old work. Literally the next photo. Some bullshit trading. This was me time ago, boys. You know what I mean? That. Doing all my little notes and all that. That's me with short hair when I was fucking younger. Come on. That ain't my dog, by the way. I don't have a dog. Never have. What else we got? I'm trying to look for some more trading. This is when I first must have learned about liquidity and shit. What even is that, bro? What even is that, bro? What else we got? What else we got here? This is from at least 5 years ago. All this shit. Hey, absolute non-slayer in that one. Absolute G. Who remembers them as well? The fucking what are they called? The geek bars. They were G. What else you got here? Alright, funded account. What else you got here? Some trading pros. Come on. From back in the day. When was this from? 2021. Alright, boys, does anyone want a free funded account? Here you go. Didn't vape because I ain't bent. Sorry, mate. What else? Got any other G pictures? Not really. That was actually a clean trade. That one genuinely is a clean trade. I mean, I used fractals for it, so it wasn't really that clean. 87k down is crazy. Wait, who? Wait. Optimal has entered me on a buy on GJ. Says it's in 1970 on January the 1st, and I'm 87k down. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, send me a picture. What the fuck? Let me read these comments. Sorry, boys. We've just come into a 1 hour order block. What's that on? Oh, fuck, I ain't fucking touching that shit. Touching that shit, pair. See, it'd be typical. So this is the thing. It's literally exactly what we did here. We kissed that. Everything tells us we've kissed it. We should take it. It's a 4 hour CRT. We should take it. Everything tells us we should, but we don't. Same with this. We're literally a pib off the age of high. Everything we know about trading tells us we should take it, but we don't. Right? So this is what I mean about these markets being just so unpredictable. It's just got a mind of its own. It's not following logic. It's following what Trump says or what Trump does, which is just whatever he fucking wants. Yeah, we are coming up into this order block though. You are right with that. Am I lagging? Yeah, I'm lagging like a cunt. Yeah, ain't bad to be fair. Zoot on the go. Jobs are good and lovely. Lovely. That's a chill job to be fair. Yeah, trust. Zoot at work is wild. Yeah, Zoot at work is a bit wild though. No, I ain't a painter, bro. I'm doing it in my back garden. Oh, calm. That's alright then. That's cushy. If the 5 minutes inversed on EU, I may short as the 1 hour order block just above Asia high and the FVG above that as well. Yeah, it happened to Mez. Yeah, that's fucked. Yeah, I'll try to sort that for you, bro. That's bullshit. I mean, obviously, you didn't open a trade 6 months ago. To be fair, at least you're holding it. At least you're holding till stop loss. Bro's been holding for 6 months to stop loss. The goat of psychology. Smoking cigs is for nitties, I can't lie. Black lung, out of breath when walking. Yellow teeth, the fuck is the appeal? Because they're cool, you fucking idiot. Mum skull. Yeah, you must have some batty holes, I can't lie. Try a cigarette. Trust. No, I do hear it, they are pointless. But I mean shit. Wait, what? Wait. When did he? I thought he said January the 1st. Whoa, wait. Where's the comment? January 1st, 1970. What the fuck? I used to smoke grat. What the fuck's grat, bruv? Fifth man, been in trade for 55 years. To be fair, wait, what was you in, a long or a short? Oh, you was on a buy. Wait. Oh shit, yeah. What type of question? Lou, would you ever smoke crack? Bruv, what the fuck is that? Obviously not. Like, what? Well, I smoke crack. To be fair, some of my mates have not borderline actually have, but like not, but have. Like, if you actually know what crack is, I'm not going to talk about it on live, but put it this way. Okay, I am actually not going to say it. I'll save this for a site for another day or something. But yeah, no, I would never smoke crack. Obviously not. Nor would I associate with anyone who smokes fucking crack. Like, what the fuck? Bro, they don't have a chart further enough back for you. Oh shit! Wait. Oh wait, no. The furthest it goes back is 92. So unhelpful, I can't lie. So unhelpful. So unhelpful. Marcus Deborah gonna jump off. See ya. Sweet bro, sweet MH. Keep it real, bro. Wait, what you saying? Slaps you from south? Must just be a south thing. Southampton. Oh. There's man in the Middle East that smoke dry animal shit. Oh, it's really Moorish, not good. Skull, you always coming out with the most random shit. A liar, bro. Man, talking about like smoking elephant shit and that. Wait, what's grat, bruv? Are you trolling me? Am I gonna Google it and it means like scat or something? Grat, smoke. Urban Dictionary. What is it? Or buy a grat. What are you lying? Grat. What is grat? Keith. Does it look like I said Keith? Oh, you mean grubber? What, tobacco leaf? Yeah, you're gonna have to tell me, bro, because internet don't even know that shit. Might have to get into this one. Might have to get into this one. It's really Moorish, not good. What are you talking? Someone tell me. Why has everyone in the chat gone quiet all of a sudden? What the fuck is it? Yeah, black lungs, out of breath when walking, yellow teeth. The fuck is the appeal? Thing is, bro, let me introduce you to a little thing called alcohol. Nah, but the thing is, though, is you get all these man, oh, bro, smoking so dead. Like, why'd you even smoke? Like, honestly, why'd you even smoke? Like, it's actually kind of disgusting. Like, this smells just horrible as well. And as soon as you've had a couple drinks or a couple glasses of rosé for the girls, it's, oh, let me have a fag, please. Let me nick one. Let me smoke one, please. And let me have twos on that. Let me have a drug of that. Oh, you got a vape? Oh, let me hit your vape. Oh, what, you haven't got? Okay, let me have a cigarette. Oh, what, let me have a... Shut up, man. Keep the same energy, innit? A lot of these selective smoke hate, do you know what I mean? And then when it comes down to it, it's scat, mate. Oh, he's smoking scat, so he's basically smoking Skull, what is your ethnicity, bro? Are you Somalian? Wait. Boys, do we jump in on this one? That is the question on everyone's lips, I'm sure. DXY should keep dropping. Bro, is no one going to tell me? Slapper, I mean, it's sort of up to you to tell me what it is. Grat. I can't find it anywhere. I can't find it anywhere. Is it just Keith? Or is it hash? What is it, bruv? Clove cigarettes? What is it? Grab a leaf? I'm getting every different fucking type of thing. Roll on joint. Resin. Yeah, tell me what it is, because I'm actually getting pissed off now. For some reason, I bare want to know what it is. Gee, I told you that 2 times. You fucking didn't. You're obviously saying a rude word, bud. Look. I don't even know if this is going to fuck my shit up. Can you see my screen? What can you see? Can you see this bit? Oh, no, you can't. Wait. Oh, yeah, you can't see innit? But, yeah, your message didn't come up, bro. Oh, fucking hell. I've only gone and fucked it, haven't I? Yeah, your message didn't come up. Yeah, it's not showing up, Slapper. You've been swearing too much, you fucking rude boy, ain't ya? Alright, we're at the entry of this. Fucking hell. Now, this is where we wait for our 1 minute and we look to get in. If, obviously, the market wants to provide. Let's get the indicators back on. So we want to see now. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, pretty... Fucking hell. Jesus Christ, man. It's like everything I do, it just does the opposite. Like, real talk. Real talk today. Everything I do, as soon as... Oh, yeah, I might actually get into a buy here. Boom! Sell. Like, holy fuck. It's not even news, isn't it? Bro, you can't even make that up. Like, this is where I was thinking of entering. I didn't, thank fuck. And within 2 candles, we get that much movement. Like, what? What the fuck? This makes no sense, chat. Nah, bro, I'll be real. I've not always traded gold, but I know about gold, innit? It does move crazy. That's why with gold, you want to wait for your 1 minutes. You want to always wait for your 1 minutes. That's why I wouldn't have got in anyway, but it's pretty much discounted the whole idea of an entry. And wait for your 1 minute change of characters or your 1 minute imbalances to get inverted. One of the two. But yeah, that's pretty horrid movement down to it. I'm not gonna lie, pretty vile. In pretty much every sense. Nice rejection candles, really. But Scotty, best hope I don't run into you. Yeah, bro, I can't lie. El Slapo, every time you said it, it hasn't come up, bro. These markets, you know, trust me, bro. Gold's one of them pairs you'd have to wait for your confirmations anyway, but still, bro, like, really? Can we have a little bit of a fucking break? I think we're still going to be bullish, I can't lie, but it's just when and where. We're getting some decent rejection, but not really. Pips at 460. Yeah. Lovely, to be fair. Fucking hell. See if we can invert this, though. That's the real test. I'm probably gonna. Damn, you man are getting mad in the chat. Mad fruity in the chat. Okay then, boys. Chill. Oh, chill. You keep this on. Lovely. I think rather move the stop loss as well. We did invert that on the 1 minute, so now we are valid. Now we are valid. Valid on gold longs. Valid on gold longs. Yeah, we'll see how we do anyway. We'll see how we do. Yo, what the fuck is going on with this app, bro? I'm gonna lie, the fuck knows how this works. You man is crazy, it's just him, G. 2 secs, chat. GJ Longs I'm looking at. Let's have a look. For 335. 6. Yeah, we should hopefully come back into that fair value. Should come into that fair value gap, really. Bro, fuck off. Fuck off. Wait. Sorry, 2 sets, chat. 40. Let's see how this bitch does. Fuck it, let's see. What do you think of this EU short, Lou? Let me have a look. To be fair, I've been on for a while now. Let me quickly read the chat. Read the chat. I got an entry from gold at 336, but I think it's going to go lower. No, I think we're going to go higher, bro. I can't lie. But yeah, fair play. If you trade, I don't really trade gold like that much. Oh shit, yeah. Just do the EK plus EK and skull equals kissing. This guy is your boyfriend, G. Need these hourly POIs to be respected. Tesla Robo Taxi sounds mad. That is fucking crazy. Would you trust a Tesla robot to drive you around, though? I mean, don't forget this is his son. Who's seen Bro, look how cringe this is. Where's the clip? Where's the clip? Is it this?
Okay, hold on.
You're trying your best, and I appreciate you for that.
You need the height, add a little bit of hip and opposition. You'll get that catwalk going, baby.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, I believe in you.
It's the one where she dances. What's her fucking name? Vivian. Fucking hell. Bro, why do transgender people pick the... That's a nan's name. Who, like, goes trans... It's like me going... Or it's like a woman going transgender and going, yeah, I'm going to name myself fucking Bruce. Or I'm going to name myself Graham. Bruv, call yourself fucking Nighthawk or something, Vivian, you stupid woman. Man, whatever, woman. We'll call her a woman. We'll be respectful. Bruv, I want to show you this one clip. So your ideal entry is going to be here or here. One of the two. Where's the fucking clip, bro? Oh, well, this is her anyway. This is Elon Musk's daughter. Or son. When do you reckon she's going to realise she gave up the greatest bloodline in the last 200 years to do that shit? I can just... It genuinely makes me sad. It genuinely makes me sad that he's given... Bro, I don't know what to call... Just so you might know, it is a man that is now a woman. And she fucking... bro, so she's given up the best bloodline in the last 200 years. Hundreds of billions of pounds. Like, American citizenship, African citizenship. What else? Biggest companies in the world. Influence. Your dad owns Twitter. Your dad owns Tesla. Your dad owns Trump. No, I'm joking, but he pretty much owns everyone, bar Trump, but pretty much does own Trump as well. You could have been a god on earth, and instead you do this. Who's calling me? Fuck off. Like, bruv, I can't like this shit, bro. That's like her main dance. There's this one clip from Hasanabi's thing, but that's like the main dance. It's this. It goes like this. Like, bro. Wait, hang on. Bro gave up the best bloodline of the 21st century to do this. The best bloodline the world's potentially ever seen to do shit like this. Do you know what I mean? Could have had it all, but instead you play for South African 2010 World Cup team. We could have had it all. Yeah, boys, I'm probably going to jump off now. I'm waiting for this to re-enter, re-tap into the entry. I've had it. Right, tap back in. Elon Musk's so rich that he's got the president as a babysitter. Yeah, no cap. No cap, bro. Mate, the guy's a crazy one, isn't he? He's a mental bloke. His daughter's clearly, or son's clearly just as mental. Becoming transgender. It's mad, bro. Skull, do you use fundamentals? Yes, but today I forgot. F me, I checked for it. It's actually used today. Skull, do you use your brain, let alone fundies? Only brain you know is. I'm gone anyway. Safe, lads. Have a good day. Sweet El Slapper. Have a good one, brother. Have a good one. I don't know what that says, but it's in Turkish. Elon Musk, so rich. Yeah. I lie, bro. Boys, I'm going to jump off now. Big up to everyone who tuned in. Appreciate the likes, comments, shares, subscribes. Mates will be live at 1 PM doing the same shit. Hopefully the markets are a bit better. Yeah, not the best day today, but again, we're just learning, man. And the main thing I've learned from today is to not just look at our inversions, but tomorrow I'm going to be a lot more active on looking for our 1 minute change of characters. 1 minute change of characters when we get up here, or market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. And then sells down to our Asia low. Right, that's mainly what I'll be looking for. Or what I've basically taken from this live. There's always stuff you can learn. So yeah, don't wait for inversions per se, and more go off of our change of characters, because there's not really been much entries. But anyway, boys, appreciate you tuning in. And I'll catch you in the next one. Do not forget the giveaway on Friday. 200k ACG, 200k optimals, instantly funded accounts, free mentorship, free signals, more ACG accounts. We're going to be doing cahoots. We're going to be doing split or steal. We're going to be doing the chase. If you know about the chase, it's going to be active, boys. So I'll see you there on the stream. Big up to everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Sweet. Wait, let me... Oh. Bruv. Nah. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, bro, what the fuck? Alright, boys, I'm going to jump off now anyway. Appreciate you tuning in. Sweet, everyone. Keep it real.